Sandeep Maheshwari was born and brought up in a middle-class family in New Delhi, India. His father was into the aluminum business, while his mother was a homemaker. From a young age, Sandeep showed an inclination towards entrepreneurship and had a keen interest in photography. However, financial constraints forced him to drop out of college after completing his 12th grade. Sandeep's family faced financial difficulties, and he struggled to find a stable source of income. He started various business ventures, including a modeling agency and a photography business, but faced failures in those endeavors. These setbacks cannot define him. Instead, they ignited a fire within him to overcome challenges and achieve success. Sandeep's life took a significant turn when he faced a personal setback in the form of a failed modeling career. This experience left him disillusioned and disheartened, but he did not give up. He realized that success is not determined by external circumstances, but by one's mindset and beliefs. He understood the importance of self-motivation, self-belief, and personal growth, which led him on a path of self-discovery and transformation. Driven by his desire to share his learnings and motivate others, Sandeep Maheshwari embarked on a journey to become a motivational speaker. He started conducting free motivational seminars and workshops across India, aiming to inspire and empower individuals to overcome challenges, believe in themselves, and achieve their dreams. Sandeep's candid and relatable speaking style resonated with millions of people, and he soon gained a massive following. In 2012, he launched his YouTube channel, which became a platform for him to share his motivational talks and life lessons with a wider audience. His videos, which are based on his own experiences and cover a wide range of topics including motivation, success, relationships, and personal development, became immensely popular and garnered millions of views. What sets Sandeep Maheshwari apart as a motivational speaker is his authenticity and practical approach to life. He shares his own struggles, failures, and lessons learned, which make his talks relatable and impactful. His message of self-belief, positivity, and perseverance has resonated with millions of people, inspiring them to overcome their challenges, chase their dreams, and lead a meaningful and fulfilling life. Apart from his motivational speaking and YouTube success, Sandeep Maheshwari is also a successful entrepreneur. He is the founder and CEO of Images Bazaar, which is the world's largest collection of Indian images, offering a platform for photographers to showcase and sell their work. Sandeep founded Images Bazaar in 2006, driven by his passion for photography and his vision to provide a platform for Indian photographers to showcase their talent on a global scale. Despite facing challenges in the early stages, including financial constraints and competition, Sandeep's determination and innovative approach helped Images Bazaar grow into a highly successful venture. Today, Images Bazaar has a vast collection of images and has been recognized with several prestigious awards and accolades. Sandeep's entrepreneurial journey is a testament to his vision, perseverance, and ability to turn challenges into opportunities. Sandeep Maheshwari is known for his philanthropic efforts as well. He has been actively involved in various charitable activities and initiatives, aiming to make a positive impact on society. He has donated to causes like education, child welfare, and healthcare, and has been recognized for his contributions to the community. Sandeep believes in giving back to society and making a difference in the lives of others, which aligns with his core values of compassion and empathy towards others. Sandeep Maheshwari's incredible journey of success has been recognized and celebrated by numerous prestigious organizations and awards. He has been honored with the prestigious Youth Icon Award by the Rotary Club, Delhi, and has also been recognized as one of the 100 most powerful Indians by the Indian Express. Sandeep's motivational videos and talks have been shared and appreciated by millions of people worldwide, making him a renowned figure in the field of motivation and personal development. Sandeep Maheshwari's impact and legacy can be seen in the lives of millions of people who have been inspired and motivated by his messages of self-belief, positivity, and perseverance. Through his motivational talks, YouTube videos, entrepreneurial ventures, and philanthropic efforts, he has touched the lives of countless individuals and helped them overcome challenges, unlock their potential, and achieve success. His teachings and life lessons continue to inspire and empower people from all walks of life, and his legacy as a motivational speaker, entrepreneur, and philanthropist is set to endure for generations to come. Sandeep Maheshwari's success story is a testament to his unwavering determination, resilience, and unwavering belief in his own abilities. Despite facing challenges and setbacks, he turned his failures into opportunities and pursued his passion for motivational speaking and entrepreneurship with a never-give-up attitude. His authenticity, relatable approach, and practical wisdom have made him a revered figure in the field of motivation and personal development. Sandeep's impact on society, his entrepreneurial achievements, and his philanthropic endeavors have left an indelible mark and continue to inspire millions of people to believe in themselves and achieve their dreams.